we're gonna learn how to do this easy caustics effect that you see here on top of the rocks and the sand below, and it projects onto everything. Really, you can see it on the fish as they swim by, and whatever is down below here, you can see the caustics projected to. And this is really simple, really easy, beginner friendly, and a lot of people don't know how to make caustics, so apparently that's probably why you're here because you saw the video title. But yeah, let's get into it here. This is a fish tank I'm making. I was thinking about maybe making like a tropical fish tycoon simulator kind of thing. But while I was doing that and making this, what I really wanted was caustics, and I didn't know how I wanted to do it. There's a lot of different ways you can do it. There's like projection and all that. But while I was thinking about it, I came up with a really good idea to do this easily without much overhead. And it's really simple. And what it is a spotlight, a simple light in Unity. Okay, a spotlight with a cookie. And the cookie is just a caustics texture that you can look up and find one online, or you can create one yourself if you have like Photoshop or GIMP. So yeah, it's a spotlight with a cookie, and I put a simple script that rotates the spotlight around. So as you can see, this moving around that it is, what it is it's actually just a rotating light, and the image that the cookie is being casted with is rotating because the light is rotating. I actually have four spotlights in this scene. All right, there's two over here in the exact same spot, and I have one going one direction and one rotating in the other direction. And then on this side, I also have two, one going one direction, one going the other direction. It really sells the effect. And, like I said, it's just four lights. You can do it with one or two, and still get the effect if you're worried about the overhead. But really, I mean, four lights and a small rotating script, one line of code telling it to rotate isn't going to kill you. So yeah, so let's stop this. All right, and as you can see here, I have the four spotlights right here. And if I click on one, let's go to the scene. All right, you can see that there's that spotlight there, and then there's another one, and it's right on top of it, same position. And then there's one on this side, and another one in the same position. And this one is going at a rotation speed of minus 88. And then this one I have going at a rotation speed of positive 44. So they're spinning in opposite directions, which really helps sell the caustic effect. Okay, and you can see by the I've got it set up for the range and stuff to be right there at the bottom of the sand, and they're right above it. So if you try this and you don't see it, it's probably because the light is too far away, or see how it gets brighter and where to find the closer you are and stuff. Yeah. So yeah, you just put the light inside your scene, and inside the inspector and spot in the spotlight, it's comes real time, so you keep it at real time, and then you set the shape the way you want it, and the color and all that, and the range, and right down here under cookie is where you drop your caustic texture, And for me, not sure where I put that. It might be in, is it right here? Yeah, this is my caustic texture right here. And you can find this online, or just look up caustic's seamless texture online. You'll find one. And that's it. So you put the spotlights where you want them to cast the caustics, add the cookie with the caustic's texture, then you add a script, which is right here. It's called the light rotator script, I called it. And we'll go look at that real quick. But it's just one line of code telling it to rotate. Really simple. All right. So as you can see, I've got using Unity. It's a public class called Light Rotator. It's a mono behavior. It's got a public float for rotation speed, so you can change the speed in the inspector. And then inside the update, we've got transform.rotate, vector 3 up, rotation times rotation speed times delta time, and world space. So yeah, that's it. So you get a small script like this to rotate an object, slap it on your spotlight, give your spotlight a cookie, and make the cookie image a caustics image that you can find online. And that's it. And then you've got this right here with the caustics looking like, it's coming from the actual waving water on top. Really cool effect. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful, and get to, put this in your underwater project. And, until next time, peace out.